Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, the Honorable Mohabir Anil Nandlal says, the decision of Chief Justice Acting Roxanne George on Monday demonstrates the prevalence of democracy in Guyana. The Chief Justice dismissed the final of two elections petitions filed by a Partnership for National Unity, Alliance for Change, APNU-AFC, that challenged the results of the March 2, 2020 general elections.
This decision has confirmed that the will of the people, as expressed at the March 2nd elections, have been vindicated. This decision has confirmed that the rule of law is operable in Guyana and that the elections were held in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Guyana.
He said it was by no mistake that the Chief Justice George dismissed the elections petition. The AG affirmed that Order 60, called the National Recount Order, is valid, a position that was upheld by Justice George. The petitioners had argued that the recount order is null and void and of no legal effect, claiming the Guyana Elections Commission (GECOM) has no power to conduct an elections recount by way of an order. In that regard, they were asking the High Court to invalidate the victory for the People's Progressive Party Civic, PPPC.
The recount process, which was embarked upon by GECOM, was a lawful one, and that GECOM has the powers in circumstances where there are difficulties to do that which is necessary and expedient to bring a satisfactory conclusion to the electoral process.
AG Nandlal said the petition was without merit and should have never been filed. The APNU-AFC has been claiming that during the elections recount, there were major irregularities with the alleged use of invalid votes and the absence of statutory documents which would render the results of an elections invalid.
They did not lead an iota of evidence to establish these allegations that they keep parroting every day on television and every day on Facebook.
AG Nandlal said the government is ready should the rulings be appealed. This is the second elections petition of the APNU-AFC challenging the results of the March 2, 2020 elections that has been dismissed by the Chief Justice. On January 18, Justice George dismissed the first of two elections petitions on the grounds of non-compliance of service on the second named respondent, former President Mr. David Granger.